Hi, my name is Becky Smith, but I prefer to be called I just feel that I was born into the wrong species. It all started back in elementary school.
Hey, Becky, I dare you to put a tack on Mrs. Jones's chair.
No way.
What are you, chicken?
Yes. Yes, I am. No one understands me. My family, thank you. My family thinks I'm insane and no one will talk to me at school.
That's exactly What was that?
This is Ernesto. He's my only friend. Hey Ernesto, why did the chicken cross the playground? To get to the other slide. That was a pretty funny yoke. My puns are so excellent, Ernesto's cracking up. I'm a real expert at telling yokes.
There's something seriously wrong with her. She was probably dropped on her head as a baby.
Haters gonna hate.